Hi, morning. So today we have an interesting follow-up. This young guy is all the way from the US and he's at 11 months from his hair restoration procedure with us. He underwent an artist robotic hair restoration procedure, 11 months back.
Yeah.
Why did you go for a hair transplant in the first place?
So, the amount of hair which I had, and I was looking for a makeover throughout my life.
A makeover in your life.
So I believe the makeover that we had was the best thing ever.
The best thing. So we restored the entire hairline for him, including the mid scalp and the vertex. Taking almost close to 3,000 grafts, if I'm correct. 3,500 grafts. Yes. And I think the transformation in his case is just not in his head. But I always say that one good change leads to another change. Yes. And I think that has really helped him transform his entire personality. He's lost 24 kgs, right? Am I correct?
That's right.
In the last 11 months, and this is primarily just changed his overall look. Am I correct? How was the experience in the entire thing? Did you get any side effects or any problems or any difficulties? How much was the pain in the procedure?
No pain at all. It is pretty seamless and pretty comforting as well. Doc is very accommodating, so
just one thing, how has it transformed your life in a good way? How much of a difference does it make, just not in your looks, but on the way of, in a way of how you feel?
It feels like you were on a roller coaster, and then when you step off it, you're still on a different roller coaster of happiness.
Correct. And how do your friends or your relatives look into
they
it?
are pretty shocked, pretty amazed. I've been getting calls and texts almost when I started uploading pictures. They're like, "Oh my God, what is this transformation about?" So it is pretty amazing ride, and I do recommend it for sure. Or if you need a change, if you need a transformation, for sure. Yep.
One important thing which I would like you guys to know is, regarding the texture of the hair, right? Now, I tell this to all my patients that, I cannot change the texture of the hair. I cannot change the color of the hair. If you have a curly hair texture, then you will get curly hair like this, right? From the left and out here you get curly hair. I cannot change that. I can make your hair thicker with the use of PRP and other medications and multivitamins, but we cannot change the texture of the hair. So I think the curly hair looks really good on your face. You've got a slim down face now. Yes. This is something, curly hair can also give you more volume. So if you have curly hair, it's actually a good thing because you get more volume when you have curly hair. So you see a more density on your scalp. Am I correct? Yes. So, all good?
All good.
On your way back next month?
On the way back.
Yes.
Way back.
And it's been 11 months.
11 months.
Did you have any problems in these 11 months that you had to worry about?
No, not
Anything
really.
like that?
Not really.
And how was the change? Was it very gradual? And do you see an improvement gradually?
You see an improvement gradually around on the third month or something. You start seeing volume building up. By fifth or sixth month, it is almost there. So you are almost there with hair all over the head, and I would say by seventh or eighth month, you are totally restored.
Right. Today we did a PRP for him. Yes. The platelet-rich plasma therapy, again, it's a repetition, but it's very important, is to retain the existing hair. It's something that I tell all my patients, and I think they're very committed to retaining their existing hair. Yes. So that's it. I'm so happy with your results, and I hope you are too.
I am now.
Take care. Safe journey.
Thank you.